Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? How's my squad? Today's the day we're gonna go look at the new Honda Accord and Camry. So let's see what we think. This has got to be record time. I've probably been here 10-15 minutes and nobody's come out to harass me. That's pretty good. Good job, Jackie. Honda. Oh, this one's locked. This one's 40 grand. So he's a little more loaded. It's 280 horsepower V6. But that beige leather interior, even worse. I don't want beige, and I definitely don't want leather in beige. Well, not really much I want to look at today. I want to look at a new Accord. A nice good Pilot, but CRV is a little small, although they've grown a little bit, and they're not bad, but I think the CRV would be a little too small for me. You know, wife and kids, and of course there's always the Odyssey, but I'm not real impressed with that Odyssey, the way it looks. They used to look great. I was hoping to come drive it, but it's the only sport one that they have right now. They have 3 in inventory, and the other 2 are not as impressive. But this one looks really good. I like this one. I was hoping I get to drive it, but it's still in the showroom. And Take some work to get it out of here. Looks good. Feels good. Steering wheel feels great. Well, I was hoping to bring a little better video, but a little limited in what I can do right now. Interesting. Oh, sunroof would have been good. No sunroof, so let's go see what the competition looks like. Camry. Alright? Hey guys. Good morning, guys. We're here today at the Toyota dealer. We're gonna go see if we could drive one of these Camrys. Maybe make a decision. We'll let you know.
And now for the moment you've been waiting for.
I think it looks pretty good. I really consider it, whereas a couple years ago I would have never considered a Camry. I would say that it probably delivers everything Camry owners have come to expect and adds some style, some flair, some advanced technology, and a little bit of performance, although I wouldn't call it a sports car. You can get this car with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder or the 3.5 liter V6. I don't know the power offhand for the V6, but the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder offers, I believe it's about 200 horsepower. It's alright. The car does come with a newly developed 8-speed transmission, automatic. It supposedly improves acceleration from a stop, provides a smooth ride at highway speeds, and helps enhance fuel economy. There are 3 different available drive modes. Sport mode, normal mode, and a eco mode if you want to try to save some gas. If I buy the car, it will probably not be in eco mode very often. The automatic transmission is available with paddle shifters, steering mounted. Make extremely fast shifts possible with a precise, responsive feel. I thought it was okay. They are available with all the technology packages, different varying with each model. Wi-Fi Connect, also a premium JBL audio system.
the new in-tune speaker system. Has 9 speakers and 800 watts with the optional JBL stereo. Camrys also come with the available bird's eye view camera system, which gives you a top-down view, which is it's pretty good. It looks good. Also with the intelligent clearance sonar, helps navigate around hidden obstacles. Even if you're out of sight, you can stay connected with the mobile app Remote Connect. Also available is the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure alert with steering assist. Everybody loves the automatic high beams feature, and dynamic radar cruise control, which tried it out a little bit, works fine. I thought it was a little aggressive, but it's a good feature. It does come with 10 airbags standard. And I believe 2 years no cost maintenance at no extra charge, which is pretty good. I think the Accord charges you for that. All in all, very nice inside, comfortable, somewhat quiet. I thought it was a little buzzy. I don't know. I'm just used to having a lot more power. And like I said, this 4-cylinder having, I believe it was 200 horsepower. Well, like I said, not a sports car. But it's not bad overall. It drives really nice. It feels comfortable. And I think a pretty good value at $24,000. This car, of course, courtesy of Desert Sun Motors.
Well, between that blue one and this black one over here, I don't know, what do you think? Which one? I know you guys didn't even look at them, but I did. I like this one. I guess these, what are these? XE Sports. They have one called XE Sports, which I think I might like a little bit more, but guy's gonna have to help me out. It's either that one or the blue one, which I like the blue one, but I don't know if I like the light interior as much, but probably this one. On a side note, some piece of shit stole my BMW emblem off of the back. I'm not sure who did it. Those people. The front one's still there, but the back one's gone. And they don't just fall off by themselves. So I wonder who took it. I don't know. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Appreciate all the help they gave me here at Desert Sun Motors with Angelitta. She was great. She's very helpful and very informative. And I made her stand out in the cold for a long time, so thank you again, Angelitta. Very informative. I really liked the car. It's pretty good. There were some things I didn't like about it. I would like to still be able to compare it to the XSE with the V6, but I'm probably going to get the 4-cylinder anyways. So either it's the Accord or the Camry. See what happens. guys, have a good day. And just again, if you're new here, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys again real soon. Thank you. Bye. First Civic Type R I've seen in person. I like it. Looks good in blue.